Welcome back to the channel, you guys. We're going to show you guys how to season the pork shoulders. First, you're going to go ahead and apply some spices. Always use a bucket so it'll be easier to season the product. See, right now I'm using a whole bunch of herbs. You know, it's real healthy. Some complete seasoning. See, make sure you guys use a bucket. Make sure you guys use a bucket so it'll be easy to go. Just use a little bit of herbal spices.
It might look like it's a lot of seasoning, but believe me, it's not.
It's not,
because you gotta understand it's a lot of meat. This is actually 12 pounds of meat, so it looks like a lot. But once we stir it up, which is always good to use a bucket, like he said, and to use 2 gloves on.
Yeah, always have a glove on. See, now you start seasoning it. Always make sure you use a bucket, you guys. It's real easy to season your meat. And always wear gloves.
Stop stuff and get underneath your nails, because believe me, you don't want to have bacteria underneath your nails.
Yeah, you don't want to. See how that's coming out, you guys? See how he's using the rotation to see, so he can make sure each piece of meat gets some seasoning in it. See that?
There you go.
So
for the seasoning, as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And have a wonderful day.